Hi, I'm Danish Hassan, and this is the explanation of Module 1 of Superstore Data Analysis from HiCounselor. So, Module 1 is basically pre-processing the data set on Python, where we have to perform 4 steps actually, which is related to data pre-processing, that is removing duplicates, removing those rows which have few values missing in them, and let's say check for null values, and match if the given data for a specific column matches the data type, or is the data relevant. If it is irrelevant, then remove them. If it is relevant, then keep it. So let's start with the Python. So first of all, we'll have to import the required libraries, that is NumPy and pandas. Pandas will be used to read the CSV data that I have downloaded from the sandbox link. So the data is Superstore final data set. As you can see, the data set has been displayed. It contains different types of data types. Now I've checked for the info, and you can see there are 9,800 rows and a total of 18 columns, and we have 3 different type of data types, that is int, float and object, and the memory usage is 1.3 plus MB. So as you can see here, we have only 11 null values in one column, that is postal code, out of 9,800 rows. Now here I have described the data, and as you can see, we have to remove rows for which few values are missing. So we'll remove the postal code row, and I don't think it will be required for our visualization and analysis. So here I have described the data, as you can see. Then I have displayed the info after removing the duplicates, and as you can see, still we have 9,800 rows there. That means there are no duplicate values in the given data set. So step 2, remove rows for which few values are missing. So here we'll remove the postal code column and the data, and you can see that I have removed it. Now the next step is to check if the ship date is greater than equals to order date or not. We have 2 columns named ship date and order date here. So we'll check that. So first of all, we'll have to convert the data type from object to date time to compare it. Here I have done the same. I've converted the data type from object to date time, and now what I'm doing is I'm comparing the ship date and order date as ship date greater than equals to order date, and I'm saving it in a new column named ship after order. So what will happen if the case is true? Ship after order will display true value. If it is false, it will display false value. As you can see, and after doing that, I have checked the unique values, and it is true and false in the ship after order new column that I have created. So the above result shows that there are rows where ship date is less than order date, which is absurd, because that cannot be possible. So I tried to find out the total number of trues and false, and you can see that I have 1684 false values. So obviously these data are not needed, so we'll remove those rows. So I have dropped those rows where ship after order is equals to false, and then you can see I'm left with 8,116 entries here. Then that is the final cleaning of the data. I've exported it, and now it is ready to transfer to SQL Server. That is it. Thank you.